Your balance can be affected, or you can feel out of types. You may also feel more touchy to the energies and emotions of these around you. On a deep degree, this alteration in frequency and vibration can also help you to create your own reset and permit you to boost your energetic vibration to an entire new degree. The alignment of the solar, moon, and earth represents the dissolving of differences and the coming together as one. During a solar eclipse, emotional wounds may be healed and stronger relationships may be cast. This could then bring about a mutual understanding and can help the sector to unite in love and harmony rather than being in competition. In some Indian cultures, a solar eclipse has a more foreboding message, and it's far believed to be a time wherein evil can rise to the floor. Pregnant ladies are warned not to go outside, and lots of will no longer eat food during an eclipse. On the subject of cosmic activities like this, a sun eclipse, your purpose is the entirety, so follow your personal instincts and see what resonates and is derived up for you. Around solar eclipses, I have often witnessed many people around me going through masses of changes and new beginnings. On a physical degree, I have actually felt more light or even a little bit depleted. Some of my friends have commented feeling the equal. Even though the cosmos is always putting on stunning shows for us, a solar eclipse is absolutely one that you cannot ignore. All through a total sun eclipse, the sun, moon, and earth will be in whole alignment. The three cosmic forces, the holy trinity of our universe, will come together as one, nearly like a grand reset that will help to bring about the beginning of new cycle. However, this video is going to consciousness more on what is going on in mind, frame, and soul level.